What's up, guys? Got our final Ghosts from the Past pack. Figure I'd open these up for us today. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Alright, final pack from our display box. We've got Galaxy Eyes Cypher Blade Dragon. Here is our Metal Foes Mithrilium. Here is Artifact Durandal. We got Mist Valley Baby Roke. And final card is Dragoonity Knight Area D-Bear or something. So, anyway, guys, there you have it. We went through a full Ghost from the Past display box. I will do a kind of like a final wrap-up video with the whole set as well. So, stay tuned for that. As always, though, thank you so much for watching. I will leave price description below. See you guys next time.